In example 4, we're going to recall complementary and supplementary angles from geometry. Complementary angles add up to 90 degrees, which in radians, 90 degrees is equivalent to pi over 2. Supplements, they form a linear pair, so they add to 180 degrees. That's the number of degrees in a straight line or a semicircle. And the equivalent of 180 degrees in radians is pi. So if we have a right angle that's 90 degrees or pi over 2 radians, and if I have x and y as my two angles, then x plus y, that has to equal 90 degrees, or x plus y in radians would total pi over 2 radians. If I'm looking at supplementary angles, they form a linear pair or a straight line. So if I have angle A and angle B, then A plus B has to total 180 degrees, or in radians, A plus B has to total pi. So in example A, I'm looking at 75 degrees, and to find the complement, I know that x plus 75 is 90. So I can subtract 75 from 90 to find the complement of 75. So 90 minus 75 is 15 degrees. And that would be the complement. Not all angles have a complement. So, for example, if I was asked to find the complement of 100 degrees, the answer would be none, because 100 degrees is already more than 90, so there'd be no complement. Okay, to find the supplement of 75 degrees, we would start with 180 and subtract the angle, 75, and 180 minus 75 is 105 degrees for the supplement. Okay, that's review from geometry. Now we're going to do that same process only in radians. And if I want to find the complement of pi over 3, remembering that two angles that are complements add up to pi over 2, then I would start with pi over 2 and subtract pi over 3. To subtract fractions, we need a common denominator, so I'll make my common denominator a 6, and then 3 pi over 6 minus 2 pi over 6 would find me a complement of pi over 6. Okay, to find the supplement of pi over 3, they have to form a linear pair or add up to pi radians. So pi minus my given angle, pi over 3. Again, I need a common denominator to combine my fractions, so I'll use that denominator of 3. And 3 pi over 3 minus pi over 3 gives us a supplement of 2 pi over 3. And that brings us to the secret question for this lesson. It has 4 problems. You're going to work out these 4 problems on notebook paper and then upload your notes or upload your work as the last page of your notes to Schoology. The first problem A, in what quadrant does the terminal side of the angle lie? I'd like you to show your work for that problem. Same for converting to degrees. Please show work. And also for finding the complement, please make sure to show your work. And then upload that work to the Schoology Dropbox with your notes, so that if you're making mistakes there, I can help you figure out what's going wrong.